welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We're going to show you the operations or how to operate a cruise control on a BMW. This stalk down here is the cruise control. You see it's got the little speedo emblem on the end here and off with the up and down. There's a couple of different models or types of cruise control you can get. This one is the more sophisticated. Basically, as it's suggesting here, the off, if you're ever wanting to come off cruise, you just push it either up or down. But the big settings for this is it has increments of either 10 or kilometre you can adjust by. This one knows the speed you're doing and it will adjust it to that speed. If I press it hard away from me, it will actually increase by 10 kilometres. And it's going a little bit too quick here, so I'll push it down so it, and this cruise control also does apply the brake. So a big push and then a little push, it'll actually do the same thing by 1 kilometre. Pushing away from you, you go 1 kilometre faster, 1 kilometre faster, pulling back just a little bit, 1 kilometre, 1 kilometre. So to show you how much, that's one, and back, and back. If you want to come down by 10, you give it a harder push and it goes the 10 kilometre. If you can put the camera in here, you'll see the dash. See, it's sitting with the cruise control set for 100 at the moment. If I pull that forward, it goes down to 90, push it away, go up by 20 there, back by 10, sit on 100. So you get to choose it. And also notice in the speedo dial, the little green dot up the top of the dial, if I reduce that, see it comes back, it shows you where it's set to. And it will do that. So this cruise control will brake, this cruise control will accelerate, and all of the controls are from here. So to stop it, either touch the brake and it'll come out of cruise, or just up or down either direction and it will go in. Now to resume, there's always the button on the end there for the cruise control to come back on again. But because I've hit it twice, I've actually cancelled out the known speed. So now what I do is just press it away from me and that will then set, it'll go to the speed that I want. So if you're getting to the speed you want and then press it away, it'll go to that speed. It'll tell you up here where it is that you've set it to, and then you can make adjustments from there. Now I've also got a 1 Series BMW that's not so fancy as this 5 Series, and the cruise control's different. Off on is the same, press away to set is the same. You can, and also for this, you can pull it towards you and hold it, and it will slow the car down. And then when you release it, it'll set to that speed the same. You press it away from you and hold it, it'll accelerate until you let go of it, and then it'll set to that speed. So there you go. So yeah, the one that isn't quite so fancy, it doesn't know what speed you're at. It just sets to where you're at, and it doesn't tell you, it doesn't give the indicator on the speedo or up in the dash or anything like that. But there's the basic operations of it. To set, you press away from you, and if you pull it towards you and hold, it will slow down until you release and then set at that. The same if you push it away from you and hold, it'll accelerate until you release and then let it go. Cancel is either 1 up, 1 down, or put your foot on the brake and it'll stop it. And yeah, the little slide button here with the reset is what you press to go back to speed. So if you've hit the brake and unset it, you want to go back to the speed you had set before, just press it on the end there. There you go, BMW Cruise Control.